What if the deadliest diseases we fear today become completely curable within the next decade? Not managed, not delayed, cured. For most of human history, disease has been our greatest enemy. It shaped civilizations, ended millions of lives, and forced humanity to constantly fight for survival. But something is changing. Quietly, rapidly, and almost unbelievably. We're entering a period where medicine is no longer just about treatment, it's about rewriting the rules of life itself. Let's start with cancer. For decades, cancer has been one of the most feared diagnoses in the world. Treatments like chemotherapy and radiation have saved lives, but they come at a cost. They attack not only the disease, but the body itself. Today, a new approach is emerging. Instead of destroying everything in its path, scientists are teaching the body to fight smarter. Immunotherapy trains your own immune system to recognize and eliminate cancer cells with precision. And in some cases, it's already working. Patients once given months to live are now surviving for years. Some are completely cancer-free. Now consider genetic diseases. Conditions that were once considered permanent, written into a person's DNA from birth. Untouchable. Unchangeable. That's no longer true. With technologies like gene editing, scientists can now target the exact mutation causing the disease, and potentially fix it at its source. Imagine correcting a genetic error before it causes damage. Not treating symptoms, but removing the problem entirely. But this power comes with questions. If we can edit genes to remove disease, where do we draw the line? Next, viruses. We've seen how quickly viruses can spread across the world. How they disrupt lives, economies, and entire systems. But vaccine technology is evolving faster than ever. New platforms allow scientists to design and produce vaccines in record time. What once took years, can now take months. Or even weeks. And in the future, we may not just react to outbreaks. We may predict them. And stop them before they begin. Then there's neurological diseases. Alzheimer's. Parkinson's. Conditions that slowly take away memory, identity, and control. For a long time, progress here has been painfully slow. But now, researchers are exploring ways to detect these diseases years before symptoms appear. And more importantly, ways to slow them down, or even prevent them entirely. So across multiple fields, a pattern is forming. We are moving from reactive medicine to proactive, personalized, and predictive care. Major investments are pouring into biotechnology and medical research. Governments, private companies, and global institutions are all racing toward the same goal. Recent breakthroughs in AI-driven drug discovery are accelerating the process of finding new treatments. What used to take over a decade can now be significantly shortened. Experts believe that within the next decade, several diseases we consider incurable today will become manageable. And some may disappear entirely. But here's the reality. Curing disease doesn't just change medicine. It changes everything. Longer lifespans. Different economies. New ethical dilemmas. And a completely redefined concept of what it means to be human. The question is no longer, can we cure these diseases? It's, how far are we willing to go? If this changed how you see the future, subscribe to DOCU Signals. Because in the next video, we're uncovering hidden files the world was never meant to see. You don't want to miss this.